There's nothing worse than lying in bed, exhausted but wide awake. Your eyes burn, your body aches, but your brain, it refuses to shut down. Hours pass, the night disappears, and in the morning you wonder, why does sleep escape me? And more importantly, how can I get it back? Here is 3-minute video breakdown. Subscribe and like before we begin. When sleep disappears, the cost is heavy. You wake up tired. Your emotions are sharp, your patience thin. Work feels impossible, memory slips away. Over weeks, your body breaks down, your immune system weakens, your heart strains, your mind drifts into sadness. Science shows missing just one night of deep sleep makes your brain act as if it were drunk. And over time, lack of sleep shortens life itself. But sleep doesn't vanish without a reason. Every night, your brain prepares for rest through cycles. Light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep. If something interrupts these cycles, your sleep disappears. Reason 1. Stress and overthinking. Stress is the thief of sleep. When your mind replays worries, tomorrow's tasks, yesterday's mistakes, your brain stays in survival mode. Cortisol floods your body, keeping you awake as if danger is near. Reason 2. Screens and blue light. Every time you scroll at midnight, that blue glow tricks your brain into thinking it's daytime. Melatonin, the hormone that tells you to sleep, is blocked. You lie awake, wired but tired. Reason 3. Diet and stimulants. Caffeine, sugar, heavy meals. They all confuse your body clock. A coffee at 5 p.m. still echoes in your brain at midnight, whispering, stay awake. Reason 4. Irregular rhythm. Sleep is like music. It depends on rhythm. When you sleep at random times, your body doesn't know when to rest. The cycles shatter, sleep disappears. The good news? Sleep can be rebuilt. Your body is designed to rest. All you need is to give it the right conditions. Solution 1. The digital sunset. 1 hour before bed, turn off screens. Let your brain enter darkness. Darkness is the doorway to melatonin, and melatonin is the key to sleep. Solution 2. Light in the morning, darkness at night. Expose your eyes to sunlight early in the day. It resets your circadian rhythm. And at night, dim the lights and your brain will remember. It's time to rest. Solution 3. A ritual of rest. Like children need bedtime stories, adults need bedtime rituals. Tea, stretching, journaling, prayer. Teach your body that these steps mean it's time to shut down. Solution 4. Consistency. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even weekends. Sleep loves rhythm. Break it and you chase it. Keep it and sleep will find you easily. Our ancestors didn't battle with sleep the way we do today. They followed the sun. When the fire burned low, they rested. There is a proverb. He who sleeps with the sun wakes with the strength of the sun. Sleep is not a fight. It is a gift. Treat it gently, and it will heal you.